Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2015 on a 65 reg Euro 6 wheelchair adapted Peugeot Partner Horizon with a 1.6 HDI diesel engine. Covered just 17,000 miles from new. You'll see from this short video the vehicle's in grade A condition. Direct from Motability, comes with a full main dealer service history. Suitable for both private mobility users and taxi drivers. Some councils are insisting on a Euro 6 now and they're not ready available, so if you are a taxi driver and your council stipulates that you need a Euro 6 vehicle, especially those in London, PCO licences have to be Euro 6, as is with most cities now. So please check with your council to see what stipulations they require. If you need any help, we can assist you where we can. This is a 5-seat allied conversion. For the purposes of the video, the rear seats are 3 individual seats and can all be tipped and folded out of the way individually. So depending on the size of the chair or scooter, you can have just the middle seat out, 2 rear passengers, or you can have 1 rear passenger either on the left hand side or the right hand side. So a little bit more variety and choice compared to the Euro 5 vehicles. So it's an allied conversion, still got the fold flat ramp, slightly different design and wider, so 33 inches wide, so a little bit more adaptable in that side of it. So with scooters and chairs coming in all different sizes, you've just got a little bit of added assurances on the width there. 4-point securing and electric winch as standard, along with rear parking sensors, all the normal extras that you need, power assisted steering, central locking on the remote key, ABS, air conditioning, electric windows and mirrors, radio CD, everything you'd expect in a wheelchair access vehicle. That comes with a stage 2 plate for those taxi drivers again. If you're looking to part exchange any vehicle, doesn't have to be wheelchair access. So please don't be worried about that. We'll always try and help you get the best price for it. So depending on how we see the vehicle, we've got dealers that take vehicles from us. Also We Buy Any Car is another option. Although some people think it's not a good option, we found sometimes it does help the customer. So give us a call, 01634 716 911. We can discuss your options, help you where we can, and get the best price possible for you. We also do a price match, or a price promise. If you do see a vehicle that's very, very similar and is cheaper, we'll do our very, very, very best to beat it. If you're looking for finance, we use Motonovo Finance. So you can either apply online through the website or give us a call. Again, 01634 716 911. We can send you over a quick quote and then you can apply at your leisure. If you want to have a look on the website, it's www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. And if you want to visit us in person, we're available at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent. And our postcode for your sat nav is ME24RL. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you.